The Bombay High Court on Thursday emphasized that safety takes priority over religious matters while refusing relief to taxi and auto-rickshaw drivers who sought permission to offer namaz at the site of a now demolished temporary shed near the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport during the holy month of Ramadan. A bench comprising Justice B.P. Kolabawalla and Firdosh Pooniwalla noted that while Ramadan is an integral part of Islam, supporters cannot claim a right to pray at any location, particularly in areas near an airport where security is a major concern. The court repeatedly stressed that it cannot compromise on airport safety. The case was brought before the court by the Taxi Rickshaw Ola Uber Men's Union, which claimed that a temporary shed near the airport where members used to pray was demolished by authorities last year. The police sought either reinstatement of the same space or allocation of an alternative site nearby for offering prayers. Muslims across the city are observing the holy month of Ramadan, during which they fast from dawn to sunset and engage in prayers, charity and spiritual reflection. Last week, the court had directed police and airport authorities to explore the possibility of allotting another space to the petitioners. On Thursday, authorities submitted a report stating that 7 alternative sites were surveyed, but none were deemed suitable due to congestion, security concerns, and airport development plans. After reviewing the report, the High Court concluded that it cannot grant relief to the petitioners as the matter concerns the security of the airport and its passengers.